The Sleepy Bear's Bedtime Adventure. Once upon a time, in a quiet, peaceful forest wrapped in the colors of twilight, there lived a small, soft bear named Barley. Barley was not like the other bears who liked to run, climb, and tumble all day long. Barley loved to snuggle. He loved soft pillows, warm blankets, and cozy corners. And most of all, Barley loved bedtime. He was called the Sleepy Bear. Every evening, just as the golden sun dipped behind the treetops, Barley would begin his bedtime routine. He'd stretch his little paws, and let out the sleepiest yawn in the whole forest. "Yawn! It's almost dream time," he would say. Before heading to bed, Barley always took a walk through the forest to say goodnight to his friends. He walked past the glimmering river, where the frogs were humming bedtime songs. "Good night, frogs," said Barley, waving. "Rabbit, good night, Sleepy Bear," they replied softly. He tiptoed by the flower field, where the petals closed gently for the night. "Good night, flowers. Sleep well." And up in the trees, the owls blinked slowly, their golden eyes glowing. "Good night, owls," whispered Barley. "Oh, sweet dreams," the owls hooted gently. As he neared his cozy cave, Barley saw the moon rising, big and round like a glowing marshmallow in the sky. He sat on his favorite rock and whispered, "Hello, moon. You look beautiful tonight." The moon twinkled as if to say, "Good evening, little bear." Barley stepped into his cave where everything smelled like pine and honey. He brushed his fuzzy teeth with a leaf and mint stick. He fluffed his soft mossy pillow. He poured a tiny cup of warm berry tea, just the way Mama Bear used to make it. Then he picked up his favorite bedtime book, Dreams of the Sky. But before he could read even one page, his eyes grew heavy. "Yawn! Maybe just a peek at the stars." He walked over to the cave window and looked up. The stars were twinkling, brighter than ever, and then, something magical happened. A tiny glowing star floated gently down from the sky. It shimmered softly and whispered, "I'm here to give you dreams as cozy as clouds and as sweet as honey." Barley smiled and held the star close. "Thank you," he whispered. "Tonight I'll dream of floating on soft clouds, swimming in a river of stars, and having tea with the moon." He snuggled into his blanket, curled up with the glowing star beside him. Outside, the wind rustled gently through the trees, the owls hooted softly, the fireflies blinked like little night lamps, and the moon kept watch over the forest, smiling down at the Sleepy Bear. Barley's breathing slowed, his paws twitched softly in a dream, and he slept all through the night in peaceful, starry silence. "Good night, Sleepy Bear, good night, little ones, sweet dreams."